Hi learners, before moving to this video, I would like to request everyone watching this video to subscribe the channel for more such interesting case studies. This case study today explains how Kissan became the market leader in jams and ketchups in India. This video also explains the marketing strategies and programs by Kissan to withstand the competition and to overcome the challenges. The story of Kissan dates back to the pre-independence era. Kissan was first introduced in India by British settlers in the year 1935. The Mitchell brothers of UK set up the India's first fruit and vegetable processing unit in Bangalore in the year 1947. The UB group under the late Vittal Mallya acquired Kissan from Mitchell brothers in the year 1950. In 1993, Kissan was acquired by Brooke Bond India, which is now the integral part of Hindustan Unilever Limited. The name Kissan was derived from an incident which happened during the British era, where the trains passing through Punjab made a stop at a processing unit where farmers sold freshly picked fruits. Locals called this spot Kissan, and from there on, it became a household name. Thus, Kissan got its name, and Kissan jams soon became very popular, and Kissan ketchup became the market leader in India's ketchup segment. Thus, the well-known brand of jams, ketchup and squashes has seen many short-lived product innovations that were quickly withdrawn when they failed to take off. In the early 2000s, they saw a change in the identity of the brand. Kissan was rebranded as Kissan Annapurna, and the brand was stretched to include rice, wheat, salt and other staple foods. Stretching beyond a point diluted the focus on the brand. Because of this reason, the Kissan ketchup lost the market share to Maggi tomato ketchup, and the popularity of Kissan squash also declined after the entrance of Rasna and other colas which dominated the market. As the company realized this factor, soon they were separated into two brands, one concentrating on staple foods and other on processed foods. Moreover, they supported the branding with jammy commercial with Rahul Dravid, which became very popular among the kids. They also introduced the new packaging of Schizo ketchup, which was again a hit. Kissan faces stiff competition from local, cheaper and low-quality sauces, private labels and also national brands. It has been communicating made from 100% real tomatoes in order to differentiate itself from price warriors. But while its loyal users know and value this, the non-users are not convinced. Compounding the challenge is the volume growth stagnancy. Though Indians love to spice up their food, every kitchen has a wide variety of chutneys and pickles. These are perceived to be healthier, either they are freshly made or else they use natural preservative like oil and salt. Hence, Kissan is not enthusiastically combined with fresh food as it is perceived to be an artificially preserved, colored and smelling additive that can only be detrimental to the overall freshness and nutritive value of the food. Hence, to drive consumption, they need to overcome this perception barrier. Unfortunately, Kissan neither enjoyed the shelf presence of local private label nor did it have the media strength of established national brands like Nestle Maggi. To top it up, it was up against the homemade pickles and chutneys, which have zero cost perception as they are prepared at home from scratch. And so with made from 100% real tomatoes claim, they not only had to bring its new users but also had to increase the consumption among current users. So to overcome this, they launched the famous Kissanpur campaign. Later, Hindustan Unilever tried its best to avoid repeating mistakes that it had committed with Kissan earlier. The Kissanpur journey began in the year 2012. It all began with a cute response in one of the first Consumer Connect that amazed the team at Kissan. Subsequent interaction with children kept throwing up similar cute replies. When children were asked, "Where do tomatoes come from?" they came up with a variety of innocent replies like they grow on trees or they grow under the ground, and even few kids believed that they were manufactured in shopping malls. These responses, which showed that kids in India were quite distanced from nature, which gave Kisan its big idea. Thus, Hindustan Unilever has rolled out Kisanpur campaign, asking kids to turn into farmers and get their hands dirty to grow tomatoes. Tomatoes as red and juicy as the ones used for making Kisan ketchup. Hindustan Unilever also distributed packets of tomato seeds with newspapers in order to encourage kids to grow their own tomato plants and ask them to share their experience and stories at the Kisanpur website. According to Kisan, the campaign not only helped them to build natural experiences but also enhance the brand's real credentials. The main intention of the campaign was to let their consumers know about the authenticity of the Kisan products and that they were made of 100% real fruits and tomatoes. Also, it communicates the importance of kids eating happily and growing up happily. Kisan's tomato ketchup contains only 28% of tomato paste along with the other ingredients. Let's also see how the farmers has become the brand Kisan. As per Hindustan Unilever, a relationship with the farmers and the adoption of the name Kisan as brand was based on the story which I mentioned earlier. So in order to settle the increased farmers' agitation during those periods, as they were agitated that the whole credit of the hard work of farmers might be taken away from them by the business community. So in order to ease this issue, Hindustan Unilever launched the Public-Private Partnership Program, which began in 2012 between Hindustan Unilever and the government of Maharashtra for sustainable sourcing of tomatoes, which also became self-sustaining in 2015. Keeping the farmers' interest in mind, in 2019, around 76% of tomatoes which was used in Kisan ketchup were from sustainable sources. Hindustan Unilever continued its practice of giving a buyback guarantee of produce to farmers. Hindustan Unilever provides vital support by imparting farmers with knowledge and expertise in sustainable agricultural practices for tomato cultivation. This includes the latest agricultural techniques, irrigation practices, and the recommendation of the right type of seeds. In one such practice, a new tomato variety developed was employed by farmers, which takes less time of 90 days to harvest against the traditional varieties which takes 150 to 180 days to harvest. These tomatoes also had a brighter red color, which would fetch farmers better price and also helps them to enhance their returns on yields. Now, around 8,000 farmers across the country cultivates tomatoes for Hindustan Unilever in the year 2019. Now, Kisan is the market leader in jams and ketchups in the country. The brand is a champion of happy growth. The Kisanpur campaign, which has won over 35 awards in India and across the globe, is considered to be a replicable model to build brand love. Today, Kisan is a powerful brand constantly focusing on sustainable development plans for communities. Kisan sources 100% of its tomatoes for ketchup from sustainable sources. This in turn provides livelihood to local smallholder farmers, making Kisan a responsible brand. Thank you everyone for watching this video. For more such interesting case studies, please subscribe 5 Minutes Learning channel in YouTube.